আমি তোমাদের কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছি না। যাই হোক, আমরা লেসন শুরু করে দিচ্ছি অল্প সময়ের মধ্যেই। রাইট।
জি স্যার।
তোমরা স্ক্রিনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ যেটা আমি শেয়ার করছি এখন?
Yes স্যার।
So dear learners, thank you very much for joining the live class with me. This is Faisal Ahmed with you throughout the whole lecture, and I'm supposed to take your Elizabethan drama, the course code of which is ENG 410, right? So this is online live class over on Zoom conference meeting, okay, for the evening batch students, right? So already we have uploaded few weeks lessons on the Elizabethan drama, and our first chosen text is Macbeth in on-campus class, and our chosen text is Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Foster's, that is for online, okay, online method. So we're gonna start very soon. So I'm not sure where I can start right now. Okay, so we can talk about Macbeth, right? Or would you like to, I think Macbeth should be better.
Yes sir.
What problem? দাও তোমার সাথে কি হবে তুমি কার সাথে গেল তোমার সাথে কি পাবে দাও নাম তো নাম নাম বিরক্ত কেন্দ্রে সামনে 2 ঘন্টা লাগে এই আসলে না তো পড়া না শুনে মোবাইল দিচ্ছি So Macbeth, the full title of which is The Tragedy of Macbeth by William Shakespeare, is a dark tale of power lust and clairvoyance. So the setting of Macbeth is in Scotland in the Middle Ages. It is a private play and thought to have been first performed in 1606. It dramatizes the damaging physical and psychological effects of political ambition on those who seek power. Of all the plays that Shakespeare wrote during the reign of King James I, Macbeth most clearly reflects his relationship with King James, patron of Shakespeare's acting company. It was first published in the folio of 1623, possibly from a poemed book and is Shakespeare's shortest tragedy. Synopsis of the plot. A brave Scottish general named Macbeth receives a prophecy from a trio of witches that one day he will become king of Scotland. Consumed by ambition and sparked to action by his wife, Macbeth murders King Duncan and takes the Scottish throne for himself. He is then racked with guilt and paranoia, forced to commit more and more murders or more and more sins to protect himself from enmity and suspicion. He soon becomes a tyrannical ruler. The bloodbath and consequent civil war swiftly take Macbeth and Lady Macbeth into the realms of madness and death. Shakespeare's source for the story. Shakespeare's source for the story is the account of Macbeth, King of Scotland, Macduff and Duncan in Holinshed's Chronicles, published in 1587, a history of England, Scotland, and Ireland, familiar to Shakespeare and his contemporaries. Although the events in the play differ extensively from the history of the real Macbeth, the events of the tragedy are usually associated with the execution of Henry Garnet for complicity in the gunpowder plot of 1605. Backstage rumor and adaptation of this drama. In the backstage world of theatre, some believe that the play is cursed and will not mention its title aloud, referring to it instead as the Scottish play. The play has attracted some of the most renowned actors to the roles of Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, and has been adapted to film, television, opera, novels, comics, and other media. Character familiarization. Duncan, the King of Scotland, Malcolm and Donalbain are two sons of King Duncan, or the Prince. Macbeth, the protagonist of the drama and military general, the army of King Duncan, originally Thaner, governor of Glamis. Glamis is a region in Scotland. Then he became the Thaner, governor of Carder, another region in Scotland, and later King of Scotland. Lady Macbeth, Macbeth's wife, and later Queen of Scotland, who Macbeth's friend and a military general. Liance is Banquo's son. Macduff is Lord and Thane of Fife. Lady Macbeth, Macbeth's wife. Sorry, Lady Macduff, Macduff's wife, and Macduff's son. Rose, Lennox, Angus, Menteith, Caithness. They are the Scottish lords in the palace of King Duncan. Seward, general of the English forces. Young Seward, Seward's son. Satan is Macbeth's armorer. Hecate is the queen of the witches and the three witches who actually told the prophecy and which influenced the actions of the protagonist Macbeth in this play. Captain in the Scottish army, murderers are employed by Macbeth to murder Banquo and also to murder Macbeth's wife and his son. Potter, gatekeeper at Macbeth's home, doctor, Lady Macbeth's doctor, another doctor at the English court, gentleman, Lady Macbeth's caretaker, Lord opposed to Macbeth. And these are the apparitions of ghosts, first, second, and third. The first one is arm-head ghost, second one is bloody child ghost, and the third one is crowned child ghost. And other minor characters are attendants, messengers, servants, and soldiers. So major characters already I have mentioned, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, King Duncan and his two sons, Malcolm and Donald Wayne. Malcolm is the eldest son and Donald Wayne is the younger one. Banquo and Prience. Banquo is another lord of King Duncan and Macbeth's friend. And Prience is Banquo's son. And Macduff, another lord in the court. And Lady Macduff, Macduff's wife. Hecate and three witches. Hecate is the queen of the three witches. So that's all about the play Macbeth and the characters appeared in this drama. So I think we have already overviewed the lecture material that I have uploaded throughout the previous weeks, right? And already grabbed some ideas.
Yes, sir.
So play Macbeth I didn't upload it, but I uploaded lecture materials regarding another play, which is Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, right? So I think you have now understood the preliminary idea of the play Macbeth, right? Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for this week. Hopefully, I will be back with you with new lectures.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have any question, just leave it in the forum or in the message box. Okay, I will try to answer
Okay,
those.
sir.
Okay, thank you very much and bye.
Assalamualaikum, sir.